Hi guys, let's see how to make a simple cup. First delete a default cube. Press Shift A, go to Mesh, add cylinder. Go to Transform tab, set the Z value 1.2. Go to Edit mode, change to Face Select mode, select Top Face, press X and delete face. Press numpad 1 to front view, press Ctrl R to loop cut. Place the 2 loops top and 2 loops bottom. Press numpad 3 to side view, change to Face Select mode, select 2 top and bottom mid face. Press X and delete face. Go to Modifier tab, click Add Modifier, Generate, add Solidify Modifier. Set the thickness value to 0.08, click Apply. Change to Edge Select mode, select the side edge, press F to fill face. Do the same for bottom. Change to Select mode, press K to Knife tool, and connect the vertices. Change to Edge Select mode, select side edges. Press numpad 7 to top view, press E to extrude. Select bottom edges. Go to Edge, select Bridge Edge Loops. Expand Bridge Edge Loop. Set the cut 20. Change Blend Path to Blend Surface. Set Smoothness to 0.8. Change Profile Factor to -0.1. Select Top Edges. Go to Edit, select Repeat Last. Press Shift-Alt and click Edges, deselect the vertical edges. Go to Edge, select Bridge Edge Loops, do the same for other side. Press numpad 7 to top view, press Shift-Alt and select Edges. Press S to scale, move Y-axis, set the Y value to 0, do same for other side. Go to Modifier tab, add Modifier, Generate, add Subdivision Surface Modifier, set the viewport and render value to 3. Go to Edit mode. Add the loops, top and bottom. Also add the loops, inside and outside of the cup. Right-click, and click Auto Smooth. Here is the basic cup. Let's add logo. Press Shift-A, go to Image, select Mesh Plane. Select the PNG image, which you want to add. Press R and click X. Press 90 in numpad to rotate 90 degree. Scale up the size which you need. Press Y to move Y-axis, change to Material View. Go to Edit mode, right-click, subdivide, set the cut to 50. Go to Modifier tab, click Add Modifier, click Deform, select Shrink Wrap. Click Target, drag and select Cup. Change Wrap Method to Project. Click Negative. Increase the offset value to 0.004. Setting up for render. Here is the basic cup. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.